Hey folks, I've been asked a few times about my profile picture that I use on Facebook and on LinkedIn, and also my auto signature. And I've been also asked, how do I create an auto signature like I have? So I thought I would do a quick video, hopefully in under 10 minutes, to show you how you can do it really quickly. So let's hop onto the screen and we'll get this going. So this is what we will end up with as far as a profile picture is concerned. And to do that, what you're going to need is 3 Canva tabs. So I've got one open just now. This is 500 by 500 square. And then I've got a couple of other ones that are small 50 pixel square ones as well. If you don't have Canva Pro, which I've got, which removes the background, then you can just use Remove.bg, which is free, always good. And you can just use that. You'll need Google Doc or your Word. Word works just as well. This is what we're going to end up with as far as an auto signature is concerned, and you'll need your links for LinkedIn and Facebook as well. So without further ado, we will dive straight in. So I'm just going to cheat outrageously and just start off by stealing the picture that I've already got, and I'll get rid of this. Boom. So you would normally just use uploads and upload a picture. Just make sure that the picture has got a good definition, a nice clear background. This one should work quite nicely. So I'm going to just edit image and remove the background with the background remover. Boom, that's it done. Now let's start creating the actual profile. So what we want to do is go to Elements, Frame, and the circular frame, and that says here. We want to have a background on it as well. So if you just hit C, it brings up a circle, and we can change that to whatever background color we want. Given the background to this video is green, I think I'll go for green this time. So let's go green. And I'm just going to put it up here and try to get it exactly the same size as, there we go, as the frame. For position, I'm just going to put it backwards. Boom. So you can't really see it, but that's when the magic happens on Canva. So I'm just going to drag this up, and boom, we have something that could actually function as the profile itself. I think that looks good. I'm going to just group things, but I am on mine. If you remember, it's actually got a little bit of a outline around it, so I'm just going to put that on now. So for that, all I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the image. Don't need that. I'm going to edit image and go straight to shadow, and I want to go to the glow shadow. I click on that. Don't worry, it looks a bit weird like that, but we're going to click on the little controls icon. I think we want to have the size of it up to about 10. There we go. Transparency, let's put up to 100, because I don't want it transparent. And blur, we don't want it blurred. We want it right down to 0. There we go. For color, I'm going to go for white. And for scale, we'll put it straight up to the highest it can be. There we go. And what I'm actually going to do, I'm just going to double click on it. Click off that. You can see that it just, if I click off there, it cuts it off at the bottom a wee bit. So what I'm going to do is double click and just drag it up a little bit. I'm going to increase the size of it, and then I'll drag it up there, and that centers it as well. Boom. And that is it done. I'm just going to maximize the size of the picture, and that's in the middle. Boom. We are done. That is the profile picture created. So I'm just going to do a quick download of that as let's go for JPEG. That's a smaller size. Download it. Obviously, in other situations, you want to have it as a PNG with a transparent background, but I've got a white background, so it really does not matter. We need, if we remember this, we need the two logos, so I'm just going to create those very, very quickly. I'm going to go to Elements, I'm going to type in LinkedIn, if I can spell, oh, there we go, LinkedIn icon. There's one, we'll just go for that one. And increase the size again. There we go, and I'll download that. That's that one done. We will do Facebook as well. Oh, there we go, even better. Facebook icon. There we go. I want the square one so that it matches up with it. LinkedIn. There we go. I'm going to download that. Okay, so that's us got everything we need now to make the auto signature. Obviously, you've already got the profile picture, so you can upload that to wherever you want. So LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you want. So we don't need that now. Let's just pop over here. So I'll show you how to create this. So all we need to do is insert a table. So again, this works equally well in Word. So I'm just going to make it probably about that. Okay, I'm going to put in, so I'll insert the image. Here we go, there it is. And I'm going to start typing in Stephen Arthur. Oops. Arthur, I am the CEO at Solutions Basecamp. You can call me on +44, oops, 7769 151 I'm going to leave a little space for the icons that I'll just put in a second, and then I'm going to put in my tagline. You would obviously put in yours, which is what everyone wants. They want to get found and be chosen. And I'll also put in my website, solutionsbasecamp.com. You can either highlight that and put in a hyperlink by clicking there, or very handily, if you just hit enter, it puts it in anyway. So I'm just going to do a quick bit of formatting. I want all that to be slightly bigger. Oops. To help if I had a mouse that worked. There we go. I'm going to make that even bigger. Going to increase the size. You can change the... There we go, and I want that to be formatted as well. There we go, that looks okay. And now I want to put in upload. I want LinkedIn, upload. I want Facebook. There we go. I should probably have used PNG for these, which is just a little bit sharper than... in fact, that's absolutely fine size-wise. I'm not going to change that at all. I will put that a little bit higher. There we go. What I will do is I'm just going to put in a hyperlink. So I'll go to LinkedIn, just take my... I'll do it that way. My link. I'm going to go to hyperlink here. I'll just pop it in and apply. There we go. And I'll do exactly the same for Facebook. Highlight it. Control C to copy. Back on here. Insert link. Control V to paste. And that's almost it. The only thing we need to do now is take off the black lines that's around it. So all I'm going to do is I'm holding down Shift and just highlighting every... Oops. Oh, damn. I shouldn't have done that. Undo. And highlighting every single line that we have here. There we go. And I'm just going to change the border color to white. And there we go. That is as simple as that. Now, to put it into an auto signature, all I'm going to do is highlight all of those. I'm going to Control C to copy. As you'll see, this is what the auto signature looks like. I'm in settings, so to go to settings, you just click up there. In settings, scroll all the way down to auto signatures. We'll create a new one just to show you. Auto sig tutorial, let's call it that. Create. That says, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to say thanks, Stephen, and then Control V pastes it in, and that is it. It is as simple as that. Of course, you want to save it as well so that it goes through. So that is how you do it. I think that was reasonably fast. I think it might have been just a teeny bit over 10 minutes. But that's how you create an absolute kick-ass profile picture and auto signature. Hope you find that useful, and I'll see you around.